I mean, here in VCATI, you can see them. They are busy working on a wing, and they're working on the flaps and the ailerons. As you can see, everywhere, these are the students, and we have Zephyr, and one man is down, Bennett, working. You can see him so serious, holding up things that I'm trying to fix up. This is Mr. Alabi. You know, he's one of the leader of the group, trying to instruct everybody to put his hand on work and make sure that they are following all the safeties. You can see every person is there. You can see all the crews are on board. You can see this is Cessna 141 aircraft, and this is the work we carried out on this Cessna, though it has already been grounded, but just trying to get some. This one is the steering for the pilot, and we got one here, but since they grounded, this one has been broken down, and we're looking for another one to fix. As you can see, these are the airspeed indicator for the co-pilot, and for the pilot we have airspeed indicator there. We have the altitude, we have the headings, and this is the power, the master key power. This is for the engine, and we got so many other things. So these are the control for the elevator, the ailerons at the back of the wings, and there you can see the inside of the Cessna 141. And maybe the job will continue tomorrow. You know. This. Let me interview my. This is one of the crew. He's one of the Vision Concept Aviation Training Institute students. I want to ask you some questions. Based on this hand-on job today, what are your experience? How did you feel about this?
I got myself dirty.
Okay, but you didn't learn anything today?
I learned how to hammer.
Okay, you learned how to hammer. And particularly, what type of equipment do you work on it today?
I work on tires.
On what?
Tires.
Okay, tires, we call it, okay, landing gear.
Reassembling and disassembling tires.
Okay. So what are you forward to learn in this college? Do you forward to get some kind of knowledge that will help you in the future?